So in just a couple days, we will be ringing in the new year, and already there's a new trend for 2024. It's called No Spend January. It's aimed at getting people on the right foot financially. So how does it work? CBS 2's Lauren Victory takes a look at what it's all about.
You may have heard of Dry January, where adults cut out alcohol for the month. More and more people are trying something new, trimming the fat on frivolous purchases.
Here's that chocolate milkshake with 4 shots.
A shot to your wallet is the goal of what's called No Spend January. Fork over cash for the essentials like rent and groceries, but extras like new clothes, dining out, and coffee are off the table.
I'm like, cut out something else, you know? I'm just like, cut out another pair of socks.
The team at Jackalope Coffee and Tea in Bridgeport hope to avoid the brewing trend with their good vibes and low prices.
You can budget and still enjoy your neighborhood coffee shop.
Other spots to save include delivery fees. Drive yourself to pick up a food order. Don't overspend at the grocery store by planning meals in advance.
You can say for January, I'm not eating out all month.
No Spend January videos are racking up YouTube views as word gets out about its impact. How much money can people save if they cut all of these things?
People can save hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars a month, depending on their spending habits.
Certified financial planner Phillip Shaw thinks No Spend January is a great way to curb impulse purchases.
Wait 2 days. Wait 2 days, think about if you really need it, and if in 2 days later you still want it, consider buying it.
Worried your newfound thriftiness will affect mom and pop shops?
We get those for you.
Consider this from Kellogg School of Management professor Phillip Shaw.
I think it's typical for people to cut back expenditures in January especially relative to December.
Meaning small businesses are kind of used to a winter slowdown.
We keep budgeting in mind, you know, when we're making our prices.
Whatever jolt you give your finances, here's what to do with that savings.
If you have outstanding credit cards, if you have any kind of high interest debt, make sure we're paying that off first.
Other tips for money you don't spend: put some aside specifically for savings and contribute more to retirement accounts. In Bridgeport, I'm Lauren Victory, CBS 2 News.